उसने आपको ऐसा क्यों करने दिया? Why did he let you do this? उसने आपको ऐसा क्यों करने दिया? Why did he let you do this? क्या आपका इस तरह बात करने का हक बनता था? Had you right to do like this? Had you right to do like this? ये मामला मेरी समझ से बाहर है. This is out of my mind. This is out of my mind. बाहर तो बहुत तेज़ धूप निकल रही है. It is scorching sun outside. बाहर तो बहुत तेज़ धूप निकल रही है. It is scorching sun outside. अल्लाह से डरो, fear अल्लाह. अल्लाह से डरो, fear अल्लाह. बाद में मिलते हैं. Catch you up later. Catch you up later. बहुत गंदी बदबू आ रही है तुझ में. Hey, you are really so smelly. Hey, you are really so smelly. मैं आपके बगैर नहीं सो सकता. I can't sleep without you. I can't sleep without you. मेरे पास एक गाड़ी थी. I had a car. मेरे पास एक गाड़ी थी. I had a car. उसने मुझे चोरी चोरी देख लिया. He caught me by hidden eye. He caught me by hidden eye. मुझे आपसे एक बात करनी है. I have a word with you. I have a word with you. मेरी आज शादी है. I'm going to be married today. I'm going to be married today. आपको इतनी खुशी किस बात की है? You are feeling happier for what? आपको इतनी खुशी किस बात की है? You are feeling happier for what? दांत मत दिखाओ. Don't laugh. दांत मत दिखाओ. Don't laugh. मेरी मजबूरी थी. It was my compulsion. मेरी मजबूरी थी. It was my compulsion. वो आपका क्या लगता है? What is he to you? What is he to you? आपकी इसमें कितनी मर्जी थी? How much were you involved in it? How much were you involved in it? तुम कुछ कह सकते हो. Let you say something. Let you say something. उसका ज़ख्म और भी बढ़ता चला गया. His wound started getting worse. उसका ज़ख्म और भी बढ़ता चला गया. His wound started getting worse. क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? मुझे ऐसा लगा. I feel so. मुझे ऐसा लगा. I feel so. समझो ये हो गया. समझो ये हो गया. Consider it done. Consider it done.